Yeah, man, I need to adjust this lever. Woo! Yeah, so that's the QuickShifter right there, baby. I'm just gonna tell you right now, baby, I'm so hyped. I put that on. A lot of you guys voted. I'll put it up right now. It was like 86% for the QuickShifter and the other like 14 for the carbon fiber. So I was like, bet. So we got the QuickShifter. I put it on. I changed the oil. I haven't been able to ride for a week. Man, this shifter feels weird. I think I need to adjust it up a little more. It's down, as you can see. It's like right here. It should be up a little bit, but it's fine for now. All right, let's see if the QuickShifter works. I'm not even gonna touch the. All right, after a second, let's try it. Holy shit, dude! Yo, it actually works. I'm so hyped. Let's go. I'm so hyped right now, guys. And I got new oil in too. Let's try it out here. It's hard to click up a little bit. Yeah, I need to adjust it. It's in a weird spot. I just need to put it up. Yes, sir. Yo, I'm obsessed with it already. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, so I did the oil change, right? Everything was going pretty smoothly. It was a little bitch to get the side fairing off and whatnot. But you know, that's gonna happen, so. But yeah, so anyways, it was all going smooth. I had the oil. I had the oil filter ready. And I go to put the oil filter on, and I get the wrong oil filter. I got like a KN 303 or something. Oh my lord, let's go. Sorry, I got the wrong oil filter. It was a KN 303. I was supposed to get a KN 204-1. So I go to Cycle Gear, and of course, you know, with my luck, out of stock, bro. I'm like, oh my god, bro, you're kidding, right? So he was like, I ordered it, yeah, Saturday or Sunday. He said it was supposed to be there that Tuesday, the next upcoming Tuesday. It didn't. It's Saturday. It's, yeah, Saturday now. It didn't come. It came today. I'm like, bro, really? So I wasn't able to ride for a week, like I was telling you guys. Oh my lord, let's go. Finally came in today after work. I went straight to the bike, didn't do anything, came home, got the oil filter, put the oil filter on, you know, tightened the bolt, everything, put the oil in. I was gonna video it, but it was just a pain in the ass, so I didn't. I got all that done, finally. I did the QuickShifter the night before. I had the QuickShifter already ready, even before I had changed the oil. But yeah, so anyways, we got the oil done, finally. That was my first time doing an oil change on this bike too, so like I told you guys, the oil light kept coming on, so I hope you guys are hyped for this QuickShifter. It sounds sick. I'm gonna do a highway ride coming up, probably not this video, but I'm definitely gonna do one, cause duh. Right now I don't know where I'm gonna be when I post it, but I'm at like almost at 5.2, and you guys are just going crazy right now. No, 5.1, and you guys are just going crazy right now. Bro, it sounds sick. Here, I'll do it here. I don't think I could do it from first to second. I think I can only do it from second to third. Well, you know, I'm gonna try from first to second. Yeah, hit neutral. Oh my lord, let's go, baby. I'm hyped. So we're hitting the twisties right now. Yeah, thank you for all the support. So that's just, we're halfway there to the road to 10K. My goal was to hit 10K at the end of the year, or at least by the end of the year, and I think we're gonna do it, baby. I think we're gonna do it. Ready? Let's go. I don't know, I'm gonna try all the way through the gears. Let's go, baby. I'm so hyped. All right, I'm gonna put my music in and we can just vibe out. And yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, I haven't been on my baby in a week, so I wanna feel her out again. look, I'm wearing my gear today, guys. I felt like going safe again today. And with the quick shifter now, I think I might be able to wheelie while shifting, because I don't have to mess with the clutch or anything. I just gotta shift off and then click up. Traction control's coming off. Whew. But yeah, guys, I didn't really have any topics today. I just really wanted to get on this freaking bike and just try this quick shifter out. Test, you know, make sure that I didn't screw anything up on the oil, no leaking or anything. Oh, look at this view though, baby. Nice. I love going on back roads. I want him to get a video of me with my quick shifter. Yo, I thought it would be dope if you got a video with my quick shifter down there. Like if I go flying up the road and get a nice like quick shifter sound. Or like right here.
Just start there.
Where are you gonna record?
What?
Where are you gonna record?
Let's pull over. Cool, let's go left and like scout it out for like bumps and shit.
Yeah, I want to get a dope short clip of me flying by. He'll probably pull over up here. And then we'll see. Why is this dude fucking staring and watching us, bro? Okay, well then go down that way. Okay, I'll follow you.